Hey, hello YouTube people. Yes, I know we haven't made a video in forever and we are really sorry for that. We've just been really busy and I've been sick and blah 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 blah. Well anyways, this is Blonde Jokes Part 1.
Hi, I would like a simple haircut, please. And whatever you do, do not take out the headphones, yeah. She won't notice. Okay. Customer. Hello? 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 Excuse me. Hello? We have an emergency because someone's not responding to me and I don't know what happened. So get here as fast as you can.
Wee woo, wee woo. What is the problem here?
Well, I was doing her hair, and she said not to take out the earphones, but they were bugging me, and it didn't look good, so I took them out.
See what the evidence has. That's strange. But I think we found the problem here.
What's the problem?
It keeps saying in, out, and I believe that's what was telling her how to breathe in.
So I killed her?
Yes.
I killed her! No. Oh.
Well, this is not very good.
No, it's not. Sue me.
I can't sue you. Her family has to sue you. Oh well, anyways. That was the Blonde Jokes Part 1.
Woo.
Megan?
What?
Okay. Now we are going to say who played who. Megan, here, this bouncy chick. Okay, she played the blonde girl. And Haley...
Thanks for the weird ponytail.
Haley here played the hairdresser. Then I
A very
played...
bad hairdresser.
Yes, very
Who
bad.
killed me?
I played the police officer person.
A bad police officer.
Excuse me. Look who's being sassy.
Look, Pepper says hi.
Okay, that is all.